To purchase a product for your class, you first need to create an account and sign in. Links showing how to do that are included in the description below. Once you're signed in, click on the product you want to purchase. A product may have multiple variations, which appear here. Make sure that the variation you want to purchase is selected. Then enter the number of licenses you want to purchase for your class. You and all your students will need a license to access the product. So if you have 20 students in your class, you will purchase 21 licenses, 1 for you and 20 for your students. Once you're done, select Add to Cart, then select View Cart. If you're purchasing by credit card, enter your information below. Make sure that the name of the card, the card number, and the expiration date are all accurate or the purchase will not go through. If you're paying by check and wish to create a purchase order, select Check/Purchase Order. Fill out your details below to produce a quote. You can use this quote to generate your own purchase order and check to send to the publisher. Click View/Print Order to see your quote. You can also cancel orders and choose to pay by credit card instead. Once a publisher receives your order, they will grant your licenses for you and your students to access this product. If you have any questions about the status of your order, please contact the publisher.